I am here today to report on the growing horror which is bottled water. Despite probably the cleanest water in the world, British people are increasingly turning to bottled water. The question we are posing is bottled water really worth the extra cost?
Do you think people should drink bottled water?
Yes.
Yeah.
Because tap water's alright, but it's not always the same, and sometimes it can be lime scaly and it doesn't taste very nice. So, I prefer bottled water.
And sometimes it's a bit warm when you turn it on.
Yeah, right at the tap, yeah. It's all from the same place, it's just purified more, isn't it, bottled water?
I mean, if you're looking at that sea, that's a ton of water.
Once water's been put in bottles, it will never be free again.
Yeah.
Yes.
But it's not. It is alive, so to speak, if you're getting technical. But it's not, is it? It's a necessity
Plankton
to live.
might live in it, but not much.
Do you think people should drink bottled water?
Yes. Because it's cleaner, it's safer. You hear on the news a lot, you know, in certain areas that fluoride levels are very high in certain areas, and that's really bad for kids' teeth.
Should water be put in bottles?
Well, yeah, because how else? You couldn't transport it any other way.
Do you know, once you bottle water, it will never be free again?
It will never be free. Well, it will, because it's all one big cycle, isn't it? So it will.
Do you know 3.5% of the water in the world is bottled?
That doesn't seem that high, actually. I don't think. Oh no, I suppose you've got the sea. Does that include like all the sea? Like, yeah. Oh right, well, yeah.
Do you think water should be put in bottles?
No, never. Because, I mean, think about it. You know, you're in your natural environment, walking around, and someone picks you up and puts you in a little bottle for the rest of your life. I mean, would that be fair for you? You're drinking bottled water. I can't believe you do that. That's just sick. See, look. It's happy now.
We're going to do a little experiment now to see whether bottled water tastes any different than toilet water.
It's very difficult to taste the difference. That's a bottle.
This is more clear than that.
Should water be bottled? Some say yes, some say no. But one thing's for sure, people can't tell the difference between bottled water and toilet water. So, bottled water, cruel or a human necessity?